Hi everyone, it's me Rakhi and this session is about the most frequently asked interview question. Why do you want this job? This question is very frequently asked to you by an interviewer in your interview. Yes or no? Yes, of course. So this session, I'll be telling you how you have to answer this question asked to you in an interview. But before telling you the answer, I want to tell you one more thing regarding this question, that this question is very protective question for the company HR person and for the company as well. You all know that the HR person and the company, they both are very clever and very smart. They play their role very smartly. Okay, so this question is very protective as because this question judges whether they'll take you or not. If you get selected in this company for the job you have applied for, they'll send you under training, and while you are under training, they spend a huge amount of money as well as lots of hour on you to train you. But somehow after some time, if you lost your interest in this particular job, what you'll do? You'll leave the job. And this is a huge loss, a great loss to the company because they have spent a huge amount of money as well as hours on you to train you. And in the midway, if you leave the company, obviously it's a loss to the company. So this question is a trap question for you because this question actually judges whether they'll take you or not. Now, so how you will answer this question when it's been asked to you in an interview? And surely this is the question which is asked for sure. So first of all, you have to show the interest and a great amount of enthusiasm for this particular job. You have to convince the interviewer that you are highly interested and you are having a great amount of enthusiasm for this job. Okay? Secondly, you have to sell yourself by saying that you possess all type of skills and all the type of experiences needed for the particular job you have applied for. If you are an experienced person, then it's really great for you. It's in your favor. But if you are an unexperienced person, if you are a fresher person, then how you will convince the interviewer that you possess all the type of skills required for this particular job? What you will say that you are having a related amount of experience for this particular job as because you have attended seminars, you underwent some kind of training or internship when you were in college days for this particular field of job. Okay. Now, thirdly, what you'll say that you are qualified for this job because you possess all type of degrees for this particular job. Okay. So these are some of the 3 points which will make the interviewer convinced that yes, that the person is really interested and he is the perfect person for this particular job. But somehow, if you do not possess these 3 things in yourself, then how you will convince the interviewer? See, if you are not having the perfect qualification for this particular job, then how you will convince the interviewer? You can say the interviewer that this company provides a continuous learning environment for the employee. ठीक है, आप ये कह सकते हैं. You can say this. Secondly, what you can say that for this company, particularly this position, particularly in this company, challenges me and keep me up with the cutting edge of the technologies. For example, if you're applying in a company like Jaguar, BMW, Mercedes. So these automobile companies are far ahead of other automobile companies because they are having the latest technologies. So if you're applying in these type of companies, what you'll say? That this position, particularly in this company, challenges me to keep me up with the cutting edge of the technologies. ठीक है, आप ये कह सकते हैं. The third thing what you can say is that this company has a good reputation in the market. For example, if you're applying in a company like Oracle, Google, Microsoft, obviously these are very good companies having a great reputation, good reputation in the market, in the world itself. Fine. So why would not a person would like to work in such type of companies? Because these companies are having a good reputation in the market. So I want to work in this company or I want this job because this company is having a good reputation in the market. Now, you can also say that this company praises This company, I've heard from somewhere that this company praises their employees for their hard work, for the good delivery of the results. See, my dear friends, there are many companies in the world, in the market, that whenever their employee does a good work, does a hard work and deliver a good results for the company, they award or they reward the employee with some kind of incentive. For example, they can just say that this time you have done a great job for the company, so the incentive which we are giving to you is that just take away the $10 million shares of the company. So this is how the companies praises you, appreciates you for your hard work and for the good delivery of the results. So you can say that I've heard from somewhere that this company praises the employee for their good delivery of the results as well as for their hard work. Okay, I feel these points which I have told you in this session will make you face your interview very easily, particularly this question. And best of luck for your interview. It's me, Rakhi, saying you all along goodbye and take care.